What's guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. I am on my way to the Red Bull's office. They've called me to plan few things and at the same time they're gifting me something. I am so excited to get that. I might need a Red Bull. The smart ones already know what's there inside this. What? Drum rolls, please. This is literally turning into a dream apartment with everything that we have. This on the top of it. We always wanted to make this house as the Pinterest house and take all the inspiration from Pinterest. And it's finally turning into that. This is the coolest addition to our apartment. Wow! I've done it in like this. I've done it. Come here, Vidant. Please, we've done it together. We've done it together.
My baby. My baby. I drink more at than you.
It's true. Oh my god, I can't believe we have it like this.
Okay, it is pretty big.
This.
It is pretty big.
Light. It looks incomplete without the Red Bull. So OG has to go first, guys. I am clearly Red Bull India's favorite creator. I would like to call myself that. Yay! It goes perfectly with our apartment. Even though we need a bigger desk now. But yes, let's do some cool things together, Red Bull India. Rhythm has a lot of gaming friends and gamers have seen this cooler in almost every creator's video. So Rhythm was flexing this cooler to his friends yesterday. Rhythm, what did they say?
Just send it over. As it is your fitness fix and you're not gonna have cough. Red Bull after 2 o'clock. So maybe send it over to us so that we can use it.
Which is true actually. We do not consume caffeine. At least I don't consume caffeine after 4 o'clock. And because Red Bull has a lot of caffeine in it, I make sure that I'm having at least one, not more than 2 in a day, and it's not even recommended. But the pink flavor, you guys have to try out the pink flavor. It is getting permanent is what the Red Bull team told me. It is very tasty. White peach flavor. I love it. And I think we really love the sugar-free version because it has 0 calories. And the sugar-free has taken over our love from the OG Red Bull. But OG has to stay there in the cooler. But this morning when I woke up and I saw the cooler, I was like, wait, there's something new in the living room. More things are going to come in the living room. The list never ends. And I think like you always feel like there are enough things in your room, but things just keep adding. This is how the current apartment looks. So now we are planning to move this cooler here, get a table, because suddenly Rhythm's desk is too small. What's up? What? It looks so cool! We have it now,
I've not had my caffeine, so cheers.
So, in current news, Ovalida has managed to brainwash two poor souls into buying a cycle and make a very big investment, to which Ovalida is very happy for, because now she is not the only person who's made such an investment. Now there are two more. One is over here.
How does it feel, Brandon, to buy a jersey and a bib shirt worth rupees 4,000, 10,000 rupees? तुमने अब तक खाली outfit लिया है. After coming from a cycling background, please give your two type की टिप्पणी.
I will only say, एक ज़माने में 450 का जर्सी फुटबॉल जर्सी खरीदता था.
My brother got a bike. Middle-aged man in Lycra voice.
Mamil.
You're a Marvin now. So what happened? I will tell you. Okay, we conned Brandon saying, "Come, we are going to get Abhishek's bike." And now the person who was showing us the bike, he's telling Brandon, "Please check your size." And Brandon is looking at us. Why is he telling me to?
I don't think he realized that we are not able to tell him that we are not
I
buying.
forgot to tell him.
That is where he fucked up.
But Brandon was confused.
I was.
And then Brandon's mother was like, "I want to gift my son a cycle because he never lets us gift anything." I'm like, "Auntie, are you sure?" He's gonna be mad at me that. So basically, everyone in Mumbai has a very small apartment and we don't have places to keep our cycle. So Brandon was like, "I'll take a cycle," but then one of our friends was like, "You can't keep a carbon bike in a grill outside." Then Brandon was like, Brandon का सपना चूर-चूर हो गया cycle लेने का, because obviously inside we couldn't keep it. So he was like, "Anyways, I'll come to get Abhishek's cycle and I'll help him out."
Didn't it trick you? Why are they calling you to pick up a cycle for Abhishek?
I did, because she said that let's go check your size and maybe later if you can get one in the future then you'll know your size. So I was like, yeah, why not? But then I didn't expect to try the size. Like he's adjusting the seat and all for me and I was like, okay, that is weird now. Then all of a sudden.
The actual plan was, I couldn't keep it in my stomach, was to directly buy the cycle and bring it to Brandon's house. Rhythm has been telling me from minute that mat bol, but मैं से रहा नहीं गया, and Brandon was just looking at how Abhishek was dealing cycle, and then I was like, "Brandon, you are also getting your bike, the same one," and he lost his shit.
She was just not shutting up. She was like, boldi. I'm like, Da, can you just shut up? We'll just figure out. Just shut up.
Can't wait to get my cycle. Soon.
Now you will voluntarily say, "When are we going to pick up my cycle?" And it is beautiful, guys. The color, the carbon frame, it's like
The sound.
the I actually felt bad after looking at my pre-owned bike, and then these guys getting, just by putting extra money, they were able to get a new cycle, and I think I don't know, I felt bad. Sachi mein bad.
She's being honest. Yeah.
But then at the same time, I'm happy that now these guys will go through the same thing that I am going.
That is a bankruptcy.
And I like how Rhythm is like, I am no way getting myself a cycle. The thing about runners loving the cycling sport is because how low effort it is. And I'm sure that even everyone, like when Brandon and Abhishek, we all go for a ride, we're going to cry our eyes out, just like I did during my first ride. But Rhythm made a very big mistake other than cycling. Cycling to एक one time investment hai. He got into watches. So he knows. He knows that he can't handle watch hobby and cycle hobby together, so he's taking his own sweet time, correct?
Correct.
And please tell the audience your watch collection till now, which you built in the past 2 weeks.
I got Seiko 5 Sports Automatic Timex Weekender. I also got, it was gifted to us, which is the Swatch Scuba Aqua. Then I got the Casio 168 WA and the Casio G-Shock GA 2100. So yeah, that many watches.
Wow, guys.
हमने तो साइकिल ली जो 4 साल तक चलेगी, but भाई ने क्या लिया 4 वॉच
जो जिंदगी भर चलेगी, लाइफ टाइम, समझी, लाइफ टाइम. One is automatic and the rest for a quartz. सिर्फ बैटरी बदलने का.
Good morning, guys. I am very excited, despite not look from my face, because it's way too early in the morning. It is 5:26. I'm trying to wake myself up and get ready, because today we are hosting an all-girls 10-kilometer long run in South Bombay, and I have a 13-kilometer long run as per my plan. So I have to go there early, run 3 kilometers and then meet the girlies. Now, why are we hosting an all-women's run is because mainly to create a safe space for girls to just come. For example, I was a runner, a beginner runner, and I could only run 4 kilometers. But if it was long run with the guys, I would think twice before going there, honestly. But now that I know that it's only girls, there's going to be less judgment, is what I feel. So I will end up going for that run. So today we just wanted to experiment and see how girls feel. If today's run goes really well, then we do this monthly. By the way, if you guys are new here, my name is Akshita. I'm a 29-year-old content creator, full-time content creator from Mumbai, and I'm also the founder for a run club called Rove Run Club. We've completed a year, and it's been an amazing journey to see runners constantly showing up to your event so early in the morning. It's insane. For someone to come at 6:30 a.m., they have to basically wake up at 5 or 5:30 so that they can get ready and come and travel. We try to host in different locations in Mumbai, not just same, so that there's a good change in the route and not just one thing again and again. So really proud of the community that we have been building and we want to build, and we want to make a safe space for all the runners and to make running accessible to mostly everyone. So the initial plan was for me to reach Churchgate at 6 o'clock, get done with my 3 kilometers before I meet the squad. But then I realized that I have the camera with me. I can't run with the camera, so I'll have to wait for the team member to meet me there so I can hand over the camera and then start. But I don't think that's happening because it's 6:10 and we are on our way. I am actually very particular about timing. Like, I respect if someone's telling me to come at 6:30, I'll pre-plan everything and be there by 6:30 or sometimes a little late. But it's always better to be on time. So even at our run club, if we say 6:30 meet point, we are there at 6:30 and we start our run by 6:45. We keep a 15-minute buffer for everyone to run, and sharp at 6:45 we are off with our run. Like, we start the warm-up before that only. So I think that forms a habit for the runners also to be on time because they know that we're going to start on time. It is 6:22. I have reached the location. I can already see 4 runners who are waiting near their vehicle. I'm only by 10 minutes. I'm literally gonna see everyone showing up one by one. But so many new faces. Say hi.
Hi.
Is this your first time at Rove?
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah? What convinced you to show up today? You? But was it like the all-women's run?
Oh, sure.
Yeah?
It is.
Yeah? Lovely.
Fun.
What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Guys, where things of Nida being on time?
Yay, I am on time.
Where have you traveled from?
Ghatkopar.
Oh! Winner.
Vidya Vihar.
वो
भाई
एक
साहब.
मिनट विद्यावीर पहले थे घाटकोपर
Vidya Vihar दूर है और दूर है.
ए नहीं घाटकोपर दूर है विद्या हाँ बाजू वेयर हैव यू ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम ओह शी इज द विनर हियर व्हाट क्रेजी घाटकोपर मरीन ड्राइव लेट्स गो दादर ओके प्रभा देवी
पंजाब.
What about you?
Lal Bagh.
Lal Bagh, okay. Where have you traveled from?
Sion.
Sion, okay. Santa Cruz. बोलो फ्रेया कहाँ से ट्रैवल किया?
Lal Bagh.
लाल बाग.
Lal Bagh.
Lal Bagh. Can we clap for people from Marine Drive? And Borivali, guys. Borivali. Yeah. What about you? Grand Road. अच्छा. Hi guys. Good morning. How do you all honestly feel from a scale 0 to 10 on an all-women's run? I feel like a 10. 100 and 10. Okay, let's go. I wanted to do this all-women's run from a very long time, and I'm so glad that we pulled it off. My name is Akshita, by the way. My mission is to brainwash more people into running, and I can see that it's working. Yeah. So the main goal of the Run Club is for y'all to meet other runners and for us to have people who like to suffer together. Okay. That's the reason we like to host runs every Saturday. So ऐसा नहीं है कोई रेस नहीं है कि आपको मेडल मिलेगा. So take it at your own pace. Don't feel that if you're behind, someone's running ahead. Don't compare your journey with anyone else. We're here to have fun, right? That's the whole reason that we keep doing it every weekend. Anyways, how many of y'all can comfortably run a 10k? Like, y'all just raise hand because we know. Okay, lovely.
Seven of plan by seven.
See, I'm just asking this because जो लोग नहीं भाग सकते वो साथ में भाग. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि कोई miss हो जाए. And that's the reason I even posted if you're not able to run 10k, that's completely okay. But the fact that you all showed up in the morning, that's more important, right? So that's crazy. And how many of you have come to Rove Run from the first time? Thank you. Perfect, that's perfect. Thank you so much. It takes a lot of effort to come this early to tell your brain that you want to run. So the mission is very simple. We start from here. We again meet here. Just in case you're not completing, यहाँ पे आ जाओ, ठीक है? Eros Cinema सबको पता है. We start from here. We go to Nariman Point. The end of Nariman Point we touch. Then we go to Mafatlal straight. Near before the Pedder Road incline starts, and we take a U-turn. Just in case it's confusing, it's literally a straight road. Once you come back, we are done. So even if you cannot run, let's say 7, 5 करके भी यहाँ पे आ जाओ. Perfect. We everyone done at a conversational pace. Nothing complicated. Lovely. Let's start a quick warm up and then we can start with our run. Yeah. Let's go, ladies! Crazy. It's just one loop, guys. One loop. Let's go. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Come on. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. Where is it? Join us, guys. Join us at the Ross. Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. Careful. Careful. Good job. Good job. You're almost about to touch 3k. That's good. Good to know. Just got done with 10 kilometers. Was extremely difficult. Let's go, guys. Good job.
Yeah. I did my first 6k.
Wow. Good job, guys. Let's spread out. Let's spread out. I would call this a 10 on 10 success. Because everyone ran. Wow, we posted this on Thursday and you all made it happen. That's amazing. Bro, it's crazy how people have come all the way from
Kharghar. Yeah, we both have come from.
How long it took you all to come here?
1.5 hours.
Humbling, bro, humbling. क्या convince you that you all came all the way from?
You.
Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. Means a lot. Kharghar से आप तक आना.
Yeah.
But you can have fun. You can have fun.
It's all worth it. Yeah.
We were actually worried about how the run would go because we've never hosted a run. But thank God everyone enjoyed it. And to be very honest, I feel girls are more open in general, they can talk. But when it comes to guys, they're very shy and they just don't know how to talk. That is true. We've done multiple times run clubs, but it was a different vibe today. And I think we'll be doing this every week. Every month, one woman's run for sure. I honestly had a lot of fun today because we did the all women's run. Felt amazing. See so many gullies showing up. What a fun, great vibe. Had breakfast. For some reason, I cannot eat after a long run. I just want to drink. And I don't fuel properly. So that's a very big mistake. So I have to go home. Maybe eat something protein. Yeah. Getting back home now.